Hey Zen Tribe! I actually just wanted to do some unboxing with you guys because I did get some goodies from 4 Visions Market. There's so many reasons why I just love this company, but got this white Amazonian copal and let's see if I can open this. So I was able to get this with it because I got the set. Very convenient because there have been a few times where I have not had one of these and ended up almost having some fire incidents in my last house. And I believe this is the charcoal. It is. So it comes with charcoal, the white Amazonian copal, which is really good for clearing your space, getting rid of any negative energy, and even when you are calling in like your guides and all of your spirits of 100% light, things like that. And I love the smell of copal, and I can smell it already, and I haven't even opened this yet. It smells amazing. So this is the set. So what I'm most likely going to do with this copal is to kind of crush it with my mortar and pestle. Little tiny chunks, you know, just so that I can put them on top of this charcoal so that I can burn it in here and clear my space, which is perfect timing because it's something that I really needed to do anyway, do like a whole house cleansing. It's about that time. Copal was actually hand harvested by some of the local tribes of the Amazonian jungle in Colombia. And this copalero that it comes with is cast iron, so it does have some weight to it. This is gonna be perfect to burn my resin. I'm gonna take some out so I can show you guys. Ooh, it's a really big chunk. It smells so good. This is amazing, but here's one of the chunks in there. There's a lot of big chunks in here, which is why they recommend that you kind of pound it down to either small pieces or powder so that it's easier to burn. And I absolutely love the fact that it's fair trade. So the tribes that are making all of this and putting all of their love and prayers into all of these products are receiving 50% of all of the proceeds.